Hi, welcome back, lads. Today we are making the power system and also the AI. Also, it has come to my attention that showing you guys how to make an AI in like multiple ways is too damn complicated, and my brain will just start shutting down all of its functions like midway through the AI tutorial. So we're gonna do a little bit at a time, okay? So today I'm going to show you guys how to make an AI with a preset cooldown. In the next video, I will show you guys how to make the AI pick a path, and in the video after that, I'm going to show you guys how to turn all of that into RNG based. Okay? So I don't give you guys a quote-unquote cheat tutorial. So today we'll be starting off, before we get to the actual AI, we're going to make a way in which you can actually win the game and not just, fend off for the rest of eternity. So we're going to make a new variable which will store the timer. I'm going to call it time until police. And we can copy the power drain script. We could switch power to whatever you named your variable. And we could take this out. And now you're going to choose after how long it's going to drain by 1. And of course, remember to change it right here. And after that, you're going to broadcast a new message called 1. And I want you guys to make whatever. You can ignore the last one for now. I want you guys to make another little script here in the scrap sprite, which says when I receive 1, broadcast camera offline and hide variable power. And you're also going to put when I receive 1, hide in like everything that is not supposed to be showing when you win the game. Okay. So we got that. I think that should be all for the winning thing for now. Now we're gonna go on onto the actual AI. Let me just move this right here. Okay. Oh boy. Okay, so I want you guys to make hold on. Yeah, a new variable called enemy animatronic position, however you want to call it. I'm just gonna call it rubber position. Okay. And so when the game starts, you guys are going to set that rubber position to where your animatronic enemy, however you want to call it, starts from. So in my case, he's gonna start from camp 6. So I'm gonna set rubber position to 6. After that, I am going to broadcast a new message called first movement glass. There we go. And then we're going to broadcast another message called glass, or just like call it your enemy's name plus refresh. So when we receive first movement of glass, we are going to set its next position. Alright. So it's going to go to cam 5. After that, it is going to wait. Wait, no. Before it waits, my bad. So here you're going to set the time it takes for it to actually move. I'll just set something like, 10 seconds. After that, I will broadcast a new message called second movement. Alright. And then I will broadcast again glass refresh. When I receive second movement, no, not that one, my bad. Okay. So when my enemy gets to camp 5, I'm just gonna make him go to the left for now. So that would be, you know, can 3, as you can see. So, hold on, let me just reset. What the flip? Oh, yeah. I almost forgot. I also want you guys to set, you know, the time until police the counter to however long it's supposed to. I mean, to how much it's supposed to last. Yeah, okay. I'm just gonna put, actually, let me just set it to 5. Okay, there we go. Alright, so after that, you are going again to wait the time. At the same time you put up top, or you could make it move slower, that's up to you, or move faster even. So he's gonna go to can 3. Oh man. I'm not, wait, it's can 3, right? Yeah, okay. I was just making sure because I don't want to accidentally mess it up. And then we're going again to broadcast glass refresh along with third movement. There we go. And when we receive, that's my bad, I had to burp. So we again wait, when we receive that third movement, we again wait the 10 seconds. We set the robber position to the next one, which in this case would be 1. And then we broadcast another message called fourth movement. There we go. And again, glass refresh. And when we receive fourth movement, fourth, we are going to, wait, no, not when I receive, what the hell? Okay. When we receive fourth movement, we're going again to wait the movement time, however you want to call it. Time before your enemy moves. And then we are going to set the robber position to be nil, which is basically a non-invisible selectable camera. You could put, I don't know, -2, 0, just a camera that there doesn't exist in the game, okay? After that, we are going to broadcast another message called attempt door attack. There we go. And yeah, the glass refresh, great. Oh, nice. So after that, when we, oh my lord. Okay, so when we receive attempt door attack glass, we are going to put a big fat if else and then an if right here. So here we'll put if right there, if right there. Yeah, I'll add that on later. Okay. Hold on, I'm trying to think. Okay, yeah. So it's left door. So here we're gonna put if left door active equals true. And here if left door active equals false. Oh yeah, also right here put the time in which the enemy waits. The enemy animatronic waits at the door before actually attacking. I'm just gonna put 5 seconds. After that, we are going to, so if left door active equals true, we're going to broadcast a message called restart loop glass. And when we receive, just a second, okay. And when we actually receive this message, we're gonna set back the enemy's position back to what it was originally. So my enemy starts from camera 6. And after that, we are going to broadcast first movement again and glass refresh, just like that. Instead, if the left door active equals false, we are going to broadcast a new message called lost. And I also want you guys to make a new variable. I already have it here. Anyways, make a new variable called game ended. Wait a minute. No, I still have it there. Great. So set game ended to true whenever. So we set the game ended to true whenever the animatronic actually attacks you and manages to kill you. Also, at the start of the game, I want you guys to always set game ended to true. No, to false. What am I saying? A little out of my mind right now. Okay. So we got that. Oh, and I also want you guys to make this little when I receive lost broadcast, blah, blah, blah. Great. All right. And and now that I think about it, I want you guys to always hide the, of course, counter before the player wins. You know, every time that the game ends, time to police. But you're also going to want to always show the variable hold on, at the start of the game. There we go. Nice. Sweet. Awesome. Amazing. So that's that. Okay. So when we receive that attempt door attack glass, we're going to go to our little door animatronic. Like, you're gonna make a duplicate of your sprite, and you're going to set it right here on, like, you're gonna position it in the door position, right? And you are going to make it so that when it receives attempt door attack, it is going to do an if else and then another if statement. So here if the what's it called? The camera status equals false, we're going to show. At least this, I think that's what I have to do, right? All right. So yeah, that camera status is good, and you're also going to duplicate this and put in an AND operator. Switch this out for left door active equals false. So if you're not looking at the cameras, and if the door is not active, then you know you're gonna hide. You're gonna show the enemy. Else, if the oh my god. No, but this, oh, whatever. Okay, so if the camera status equals true, I mean, just don't show it. Simple as that. Oh, I don't need left door active. Don't worry about that. Boom. There we go. After that, oh wait, what the hell? There's the wrong message. That was read. So now when we receive camera offline, or was it online? Camera offline, yeah, of course. We are going to put an if statement, and we are going to check if equal operator rubber position glass equals nil, which is, as I already guys told you, the position in which, you know, he cannot be seen because nil is not an actual camera. So if he is in that position, then he will show. Make sense? So basically, if he's at your door and you're looking at your cameras, when he shows up, you're of course not gonna see him. When you pull your cameras down, if he is at that position, he is going to show. After that, you are going to make it so that when you receive 1, you hide, and then when you receive lost, you also hide. Oh, and that's also things you want to do for the AI. Maybe just a little bit more for the AI though. We're gonna add on that it where is it? It stops the other scripts in the sprite. So we're gonna basically, like, you know, interrupt the entire AI's process if the player dies. Yeah, okay, great. So now what else is there? Oh yeah. So when we receive a restart loop, we are going to hide the AI, of course, because that means he's not at the door anymore. When we receive camera online, we're always going to hide. Doesn't matter if he's actually there or not. We don't gotta put a if robber position equals nil check. And that's basically it. Oh yeah, and also make sure to always hide your AI at the little sprite at the start of the game. Same thing with the actual AI. And now I'm going to do some other additional stuff. So when I receive glass refresh, which you probably guys been wondering what it actually does, it will check if the hold on a second. Let me just format and then I'll actually explain it. So you're gonna get an AND operator. I'm gonna get that. And you're gonna put camera status right here, and you're gonna put camera selected right there. You're gonna put camera status right here to true and camera selected to the robber position. Okay. And if all of this is true, then you are going to, show the enemy, and if not, you're going to hide. So what this does, every time that the AI moves, if you are looking at cameras and you are on the camera which the animatronic moved on to, then of course it is going to actually show you that it's there, like that it entered the room. When we receive camera online, where is it? Holy Jesus. We're going to do the same thing, except we don't need the camera status equals true statement, because camera online message is only broadcasted when we actually activate cameras. Is there anything else? Oh yeah. Whatever, we can make it so that when we receive camera offline, we're of course going to hide the AI. It doesn't have to be visible when the cameras are not active. And that all? Let me see. So yeah, you guys can whenever you lose or win the game, you guys can set the robber position back to the default one. This is for the menu that we'll make in the future, because right now the only way to actually start the game is by pressing the green button. And if I'm not mistaken, no, never mind, just do that also. What the hell is that for? Okay. Anyways, oh yeah, because I forgot to mention that. So you guys are also going to always set the position of your oh wait, no, but it's because it's already done in the actual AI script. That's why I didn't mention that. Anyways, I was gonna say that like every time you start the game, the position is already set back to default, so it's kind of useless right now. But this will become useful later on when we actually make the main menu, because it's going to work a little bit different there. So there we go. So yeah, I think that's it for this entire, oh, almost forgot to mention. I want you guys to do this. What the flop? Why is this here? Okay, there we go. Okay. Alright. Anyways, I was gonna say, I want you guys to do the same process you did with when I receive one hide, but do it with lost, of course. So there you go. So that's how you make the AI. Now I'm going to test it for your guys' sake. Oh, I almost forgot, you guys can make a little "you died" message. And just make it so that when the green flag is clicked, it hides, and when we receive lost, shows. And you guys can also do the same exact thing for a little win message. There you go. So let's see if it actually works. Oh. Almost forgot. Yeah, I was about to go. I was literally gonna end the thing here, but then I said, oh, I might as well test it. Where you're going to put when I receive camera switched as well. So every time you switch your camera, it's going to check if you are on the animatronics camera. I mean, if you switch to the animatronics camera. My bad. So there we go. I'm gonna make him speed run. Because I want to speed this up a little. There we go. Okay, so count 3. Count 1. Shut the door. Yeah, okay. No idea what happened before, but it works. As you can see, he's running his code again. So here you go, boys. That's how you make the AI. In the next video, I will show you guys how to make the AI actually pick a path instead of always going for the same path. So that should be pretty interesting. Anyways, yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.